Hey guys, as you can tell it's baking day and I love banana bread. And in baking I love simplicity too, and I decided to put together this 3-ingredient cake mix banana bread. So simple, so easy, but came out absolutely incredible. So let me show you how to do this. So what I've got here are 3 fairly ripe bananas. You want them as ripe as you can get them. And I just love bananas. I must have gotten this from my Uncle Fred. And I'm just going to take my potato masher and mash these up. You can use a fork too. So what you want is a texture something like this. This is about perfect. Now we're going to add in a couple of eggs. And grab up my spatula and mix these together. Then a 432 gram package of butter pecan cake mixture. Now you can use vanilla, whatever you like. I just like the butter pecan. And once again, a mixing we will go. Now what we have here, guys, are the 3 ingredients, and that's the very basics to it. I'm going to go ahead and add in a 4th, which is a cup of chocolate chips. Now the beauty of this is you can use chocolate chips, walnuts, pecans, or even some fresh berries would be nice. So we'll just go ahead and fold this together. Next up, I'm going to grease my loaf pan with some melted butter. And you can use cooking spray too, I just kind of ran out. Just like painting. Lay some parchment paper into the bottom just for an extra precaution. Take our mixture and I'm going to fill my loaf pan about 3/4 the way full. And we'll give this the old tap tap tap. O tupatapa, o tupatapa. Now I'm going to slip this into a 350 degree Fahrenheit, 180 Celsius, preheated oven for about 45 to 50 minutes, just until an inserted toothpick comes out clean. And while the cake's baking, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, that way you'll never miss a video, and the notification bell. And if you like what you see, press the like button. That really helps us out, guys. And now our inserted toothpick comes out clean, guys. So I'm just going to let this sit and cool on a wire rack just for a few minutes. Alright guys, it's cooled down a bit, so I'm just going to flip this over onto my hand, and we'll remove the parchment paper. Oh, just look at this. It smells incredible, guys. And we'll do the old flippy back over again. Alrighty then, let's cut into this and see what we've got. What a nice thick slice here. Okay, it looks so good, guys. You got your chocolate in there. Like I said, even if you had some nuts or some fresh berries, would just be incredible. I'm just going to do one more slice here. Alrighty then, let's add a bit of butter to this, and we'll give it the old taste test. This is going to be so good. And just look at this, guys. Warm, yummy, moist banana bread. This is really good. Of course, the cake mix is the cake mix. I always like cake mix. But you can really taste the bananas shine through. The chocolate chips, it's moist. Who could believe that anything so simple and easy could be so good? Have this with a cup of tea, milk, coffee, and eat more. So good. So for this recipe and many other great recipes, head on over to cookandshare.com. Wonderful site, all kinds of cool stuff over there. You can plan your entire meals. Thanks for watching. Stay safe, guys, and see you next time.